Are you looking for a way to log out of Twitter on all of your devices? In this short tutorial, I will show you exactly how to log out of Twitter on mobile and all other devices quickly and easily. I'll walk you through the simple steps required to log out of your account so that no one else can access it. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, open up the Twitter mobile app and then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap where it says Settings and Support, and then select Settings and Privacy. Once you are on the Settings page, tap on Security and Account Access, and then tap on Apps and Sessions. And it will load up this page. So now what you want to do next is tap where it says Sessions. And now you'll be able to see which device is currently active at the top part of the page. And at the bottom of the page, you will see all the other devices that are logged in. So if you want to log out of all other devices, simply tap where it says Log out of all other sessions. And then simply tap on Log out. So this is exactly how you log out of Twitter on all devices. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.